Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the combine A function. The combine A function is similar to the combine function in that it is counting the number of combinations of things where order doesn't matter. But in this case, for combine A, we're allowed to have repeats. So note where combine never allowed R, the number of items picked, to be larger than the number of items that you had. For combine A, you can repeatedly pick things. A good way to think about this is rolling dice. For example, if I had a four-sided die and I rolled it twice, how many combinations of rolls could I get? There's only 10 of them, so I'm going to try and be as quick about this as possible. I could roll a 1 and then a 1. I could roll a 1 and then a 2. I could roll a 1 and then a 3. 1, 4. 2, 1. But wait, I've already rolled a 2 and a 1 because this is a combination. The order doesn't matter. So that actually doesn't count. I could roll a 2 and then a 2. I could roll a 2 and then a 3. I could roll a 2 and then a 4. I could roll a 3 and a 3, a 3 and a 4, or I could roll a 4 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 possible combinations of 4 pick 2 for a 4-sided die. If I up this to a 6-sided die and roll 2 of them, well, 21 combinations is more than I want to do for right now. But I think that describes adequately the way that this functions. The mathematical expression for a combination of n pick r and allow for repeats is a little bit, well, it's a little bit obtuse. It says n plus r minus 1 all factorial divided by the number of things that you picked r factorial, and then n minus 1, or divided again by n minus 1 factorial. It's a little bit big. The great thing about this, though, is that we can up the number of things that can be combined. We can have more things picked than options that there are. So for example, let's let n equal 2. Let's say we're flipping a coin and we have heads or tails. And r is 4, which means that we're flipping it 4 times. Combination means that we're only interested in knowing how many heads and how many tails we got. We don't care about the order, we only care about how many. This says that there are only 5 combinations of this. We could get heads, 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 heads. We could get heads, 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 tails. We could get 3 heads and 2 tails. We get 2 heads and 3 tails. 1 head and 4 tails, or 5 tails. And now what if we rolled, or if we flipped a heads, a tails, and then 3 more heads? That's not actually a new combination. It's already accounted for in the 4 heads and 1 tail combination. So this is the quick way of doing this. If we drop real big numbers into here, we do get a number error. And I believe that that is going to be limited by the largest number that that Excel can represent, which is 1.7-ish times 10 to the 308. So let's see, can I get a number that's close? 71, 72. This is 456,789, pick 72. This is an absurd number. Looks like we can get 73, but not 74. It just can't be calculated inside of Excel. So there's the limitations. Related functions to this, of course, include the permute, the combine function, and the permutation A function, which is the permutations, but also allows for repeats. It's kind of an interesting one. And that concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the combine A function. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And if you want to see more content like this. If there's something you're looking for in particular, please leave a comment so I read all of my comments and I answer all of them, I believe. Anyway, thank you for watching.